How to use DeepSeek AI? Imagine unlocking the full potential of AI tools to find the information you need faster than ever before, but with a hidden risk you might not even know about. Stay tuned, because today we're diving into DeepSeek AI, a revolutionary tech tool that could change the way you search, but also introduce some serious privacy concerns. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, because I've got some exclusive free tools and discounts that you won't want to miss. So what exactly is DeepSeek AI? In simple terms, it's a powerful AI-driven search engine designed to go deeper and find information faster than any traditional search engine. Think of it as your own personal assistant that can dive into data, analyze patterns, and pull up exactly what you need, often in a fraction of the time it would take you to manually search the web. Whether it's pulling up research articles, analyzing large datasets, or even providing answers from the deepest corners of the internet, DeepSeek AI is designed to make you more efficient, accurate, and informed. Using DeepSeek is incredibly easy, but please stay tuned for important privacy info coming up. To use DeepSeek, head over to the website chat.deepseek.com in your browser. Create an account using your Google account. Sign into the account. You'll be greeted with a simple search bar. From here, you can enter your query just like you would on any search engine. But here's where it gets interesting. DeepSeek doesn't just pull up keywords or matching phrases. It processes data, understands context, and filters through layers of information to give you the best possible answer. You can even refine your search using advanced filters like time frame, source reliability, and more. It saves you from manually sifting through pages of irrelevant info. It's like having a supercharged research assistant right at your fingertips. However, while this tool is undeniably powerful, there are some things you need to be aware of. Let's talk privacy. DeepSeek AI relies on gathering vast amounts of data to refine its search and provide more accurate results. But here's the catch. It could also be collecting your personal information and search history without you even knowing it. So, how can you protect your privacy while using DeepSeek? First off, always review the privacy settings within the platform. Opt out of data collection if possible. Keep track of the permissions you're granting, and consider using VPNs or incognito modes to limit the data trail you leave behind. Now, this is important. If you're using DeepSeek for business or research purposes, be aware of the potential risks of sensitive information being exposed. Always ensure your account is secure and avoid inputting any personal or confidential data. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. I love hearing from you, and it really helps the channel grow. DeepSeek AI is an incredible tool that can supercharge your search and research abilities. Just make sure you're aware of the potential privacy risks involved and take steps to safeguard your personal data. And remember, the most important thing is to use these tools responsibly. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. As promised, I've got a free download with valuable tools to enhance your DeepSeek AI experience, plus some exclusive discount codes for premium features. All the details are in the description below. Don't miss out. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.